The SEC will not regulate Bitcoin. This is news that just came out. Oh, they came out 23 hours ago, but they're hot. And I wanted to make a video on it as soon as I found out about it. I've already made a lot of videos today, but this is major. This is very important. We'll go over this article from the but it's all around the internet right now. Major financial outlets are going over it, and we'll also talk about the crypto price in general, some technical analysis, short term, everything that you should know. But before we start, keep in mind that the video is no financial advice. I'm just a random dude on the internet sharing his opinion. But you should definitely like the video for the algorithm and subscribe if you are new. The cool thing when you subscribe is upload over 30 of these videos every single day with the hottest cryptocurrencies and crypto news out there. So if you want to learn more about that, subscribe. And I've also partnered up with Bybit to bring you a special promotion. The first 30 of you that sign up and deposit using my link in the description below will get a special bonus that you should definitely check out. I've got a lot of drawings from another video I did today, but they look funny, especially on the 5-minute time frame. But there are some major things that we should talk about. They're on the chart right now, but the SEC has no plans to regulate Bitcoin in 2021. Let's start with this, and then we'll continue with the technical analysis. So the SEC has released its 2021 regulatory agenda and has left Bitcoin and cryptocurrency out. Instead, its focus is on short selling, a topic that has grown into a heated debate in the wake of the meme stock craze with GameStop and AMC theaters. Yeah. Don't miss out on husband. Okay, so this is relatively surprising given the SEC chair comment on crypto and how he would like to see more regulation, especially with the ransom. I was super sure that we would see some regulations. This is just insane. This is insanely good news for Bitcoin and for the Bitcoin community, the altcoin season in general. This is quite volatile, one might say highly volatile asset class, and the investing public would benefit from more investor protection on the crypto exchanges, said Gary Gensler at the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority's annual conference. Gensler said that the SEC does have authority with securities and that some cryptocurrencies do fall into that category, but others like Bitcoin do not. There's a lot of authority that the SEC currently has in the security space, and there are a number of cryptocurrencies that fall within that jurisdiction. But there are some areas, particularly Bitcoin trading on wire exchanges, that the public is not currently really protected. Yeah, there's a huge issue with Binance right now, and the lawsuits. No, there's no. It's hard to sue Binance, but there's a huge issue right now with the let me show you something. So what do you think? During the dip we had on the May 19th, right? Or the April dip, should the inverse, where is it? Here is it. Here's this dip. Do you think that the inverse cryptocurrencies or options should go up or down? If you have LTC down, it should go up when LTC is going down, right? It's an inverse trade. But check this out. LTC down. Check this out. 19th of May, it went down and then up. Up and down. Do you see that? It went up and down on the 19th of May. It should have went up. It should have continued to go up. But instead it went down. That's not okay. It should have been going up right after that. But it didn't. You know why? They kind of need regulation. Even though I use Binance to trade. This is the platform I use. And Bybit, I have a link for both of them in the description below. For new traders, Bybit is really good because they have bonuses for new traders. Binance have the really low fees as well and have more cryptocurrencies. But what can I tell you? There are some things that definitely show you that they kind of need some regulation. This is another story that we'll cover after that. By the way, subscribe if you want to learn more about the Goldman Sachs crypto situation right now, because we have some news that we should go over. But yeah, look at that. Bitcoin and the news that came out pretty much 23 hours ago. So that was around here. A huge increase, right? No, that was 14. The 14th. It should be around this time. Yeah, here. Yeah, we had this news, but we didn't really have any massive moves after that. And the reason is because we have a major resistance area around the 40 to 42k mark. We talked about it a lot. It's not a good thing that we're hovering around it like this. We can see a dip, a 10% dip, because smart money is accumulating at the support area around the 30k mark. 30 to 33k is where smart money is buying Bitcoin right now. Yeah, you can clearly see it on the chart, and you can clearly see it on the chart because if we go to the daily chart, this was where smart money was buying Bitcoin in January, right? This was where smart money was buying in January, and then after the breakout above 42k just jumped by 30% or something. So I think in the short term, we can definitely see some corrections. Even though this is massive good news for Bitcoin, short term, we can see a correction. If you already have Bitcoin, will I sell it? No, but would I buy at 40k? Not really. Maybe I'll buy it 42k-ish after the breakout. But right now, I would be looking for some dips to get Bitcoin at a discount. This is basically the same thing as I just made a video on Shiba Inu, right? Pretty much a few hours ago. Depends on when you're watching it. So sold some Shiba at the RSI here. Made a video probably around here. I had to get. I was in the toilet, in the shower when it happened. Sold here, opened up a short pretty much here, and or here-ish actually. Probably was making the video when it was here, and now it went down. I do believe we might see a correction to here, not a major dip, but a correction to here, and also, but long term, I think Shiba is in a good position. That's what I believe, especially if the petition goes to 150k and we actually see Robinhood listing it. If you want to learn more again about this, you should watch two videos on my channel around this topic. The first one is you should watch this video, Robinhood listing, and you should also watch this video. It was published 14 minutes ago. Probably I made it like 30-40 minutes ago. I don't know. But yeah, definitely interesting stuff going on. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. How will this affect the crypto price? Trade crypto on Bybit and Binance, links in the description down below. See you next video.